Hi, this is Hoodie from Kaizink. I'm going to show you how to do a print placement on a hoodie. So usually when we do a shirt, you want it 8 inches from the collar, and then, which this is an added inch right here for you. And then you want this top line to line up, with the floor. So since this is a hoodie, it is a different material. As you can see, these are super close together, and that does not look right. So what we're going to do here is, instead of keeping it here at the 4, we're going to just move it over to the 5. Still follow the same instructions that you were for the regular t-shirt placements. I'm going to slide this up here until the little lines on the side line up and the top line is centered with the 5. Same on this side. This is the right chest. I'm going to do the exact same thing I just did. And once that's lined up, you should be good. Just go ahead and tape them down. I would do it, but I am using one hand. So once you're done from here, it should be good to press. Thank you.